We're going to talk about the weather on this first day of summer, which we treat the summer solstice as what meteorologists and climatologists around the world called Show Your Stripes Day. So this is the graphic that you've probably seen a lot of on social media today. Every one of these stripes on the graphic indicates 1 year's worth of temperature data dating back to 1850. Just a quick way to visualize how much the entire atmospheric system has been getting warmer, especially with that rate of change really picking up within the last 3 or 4 decades. This is one of many different ways that we can visualize the rate of climate change, just tracking those numbers below and above average using more a traditional bar graph. This is the one I like because it tracks temperatures using some other data, tree ring data, ice core data for the back 2,000 years, and tracking that along with the black line, which is carbon dioxide levels, and they just follow each other along, just going hand in hand. Another way to look at it is just the way that the temperatures over land have changed, where obviously all of Earth's population lives decade by decade, with those temperatures trending farther and farther and farther above average. And it is likely that we are going to be seeing even more of an impact the next couple of years because of two different phenomena. The big one is going to be a developing El Nino. I did a Weather Extra segment about that last week. You can find that pinned to the top of my social media profiles on Twitter and on Facebook. But that stripe in the equatorial Pacific, right around the middle of the planet, those are warmer than average sea surface temperatures already. And it's likely, in fact, more likely than not, about a 60% chance that this is going to be a strong El Nino event by the time we get into fall and summer. But it's not the only place in the Earth's oceans that has significantly above average temperatures. The North Atlantic is way above normal, and that could have some consequences for the Atlantic hurricane season, and it all adds up because so much of the excess heat that is built up in the entire system has been stored in the Earth's ocean. Some of that gets transferred to the atmosphere, and it's likely that this year and next year, 2024, are going to be the two warmest years on record. So the rate of change just continues to accelerate. We'll, of course, be monitoring all the local potential impacts of El Nino here on KPIX and the CBS News Bay Area.